I'm Copper. We're here at the Butte College Swing Space doing the Student Center open house today.
Down here, students can find the Sustainability Resource Center, the Culture and Community Center, the Student Health Clinic, the Safe Place and Wellness Program, and our Veterans Resource Center.
We're here just kind of exploring the booths that they have to offer and getting to learn about more resources at our campus.
A lot of students don't know that we're all down here, so we hold an open house in the fall to invite students to come have food, meet our students, see what services and opportunities are available in each center, and hopefully someone's going to win a bike today.
We'll go over to the Sustainability Resource Center, which is a really cool spot where students can get involved in organizations. Generally, like, cool place to hang out. We've got my coworker and very good friend here, Noah.
How's it going?
Tell us about what you do at the SRC.
We offer a lot of opportunities for people to get involved on campus, volunteer, to people who want to make a difference in the community but don't know where to get started. We like to provide that place for people.
And we have tea and snacks.
You can't beat that.
And board games. And a guitar.
This is Liz, who works at the
Culture and Community Center.
So this is the Culture and Community Center. We're open from Monday through Thursday. We put on cultural events here on the campus, and we're also in charge of just bringing cultural awareness and letting everybody know that everyone is welcome here at Butte College.
So much love from Butte College.
Alright, this is the Safe Place Student Lounge. Any student can come and hang out just if they just need a place to study or a place to sleep. There's safe places where you can be safe, so you can be yourself and you don't feel judged. Really try and make it whatever the students need, and so if they need some food, we have them covered. If they need feminine products, if they need really whatever their needs are, we try and meet that here.
Associated Students right now is trying to inform the students about our committees that we have on campus. Anybody can join a committee as long as you've been here for one semester. And we have a giant list of committees, so how about you guys come on down and join?
Overall, it's been fun, it's been great, people are kind.
People can come in here and it's just a nice little spot on campus.
I really like the Safe and Wellness program. Yeah, it was cool. There's some cool things.
I love this. This is a good place. This is a good environment for students to just engage with each other.
Check it out. We've got great resources and you can come and learn about them today. A lot of students don't know what's right here on campus, right within their reach.
See you next year.